In this video, we'll look at the ways InfoBurst can be used to extend the value and usability of a Squirrel dashboard. What can InfoBurst do for Squirrel? It can host a dashboard in the InfoBurst portal, burst and deliver a dashboard offline, and embed a dashboard in a PowerPoint slide. We'll look first at hosting of a Squirrel dashboard in the InfoBurst portal. Here we have a dashboard that gets its data from an InfoBurst XDC using cache queries. We start by previewing the dashboard in the Squirrel Designer, then publishing as a .dash file. Here, I'll publish the dashboard to my desktop. Here's the dashboard, which we want to upload to this Dashboards folder in the InfoBurst portal. We select the Actions menu, the Upload .dash option, and then select the dashboard and upload. Now the dashboard is available for consumption by InfoBurst portal users. Next, we'll look at delivering a dashboard plus XDC offline. We'll take the same dashboard file used in the first example and add it to InfoBurst. Next, we'll create a burst from the dashboard and add a delivery. We can deliver the dashboard to any InfoBurst destination. Here, I'll deliver the dashboard to a network folder. InfoBurst knows and automatically assigns the XDC to embed with the dashboard. The result of the delivery is a dashboard file that contains the dashboard, XDC cache, and any cache queries. The dashboard file can be viewed using the InfoBurst Dash Viewer, where the dashboard is fully functional with no connectivity to InfoBurst. And finally, we'll look at the ability to display an InfoBurst hosted dashboard in a PowerPoint slide. We start by viewing the dashboard in the InfoBurst portal. Then select Actions and Get PowerPoint Embed ID. Then in PowerPoint, with the InfoBurst Dash Presenter add-in installed, select Insert, My Add-ins, InfoBurst Dash Presenter, then paste the embed ID and confirm. Now the Squirrel dashboard is visible and fully interactive within PowerPoint.